The variable length is used to make up odd lengths of pipe. The variable length is comprised of the following parts: a 3 1/4 inch collar with a flange on one end, a 30-inch long tube flanged on one end which fits into the 3 1/4 inch collar, an outer jacket consisting of 2 half jacket assemblies, loose insulation blanket to fill in the space between the tube and casing. A variable length can be installed at any flange-to-flange length as seen on screen. If the flue is too long to fit into the adjacent section of the pipe without interfering with the flow path, it should be trimmed to the desired flange-to-flange length plus 4 inches. Remove all burrs to ensure that interference does not occur. Slide collar towards the flange end of the tube. Do not remove the collar from the tube. Slide unflanged end of the tube into the upstream piece of pipe. Pull flanged end of tube to the downstream piece of pipe and install joint as outlined in Metal-Fab's YouTube joint assembly video. Apply a thin coat of sealant about 1 inch wide at the plain end of pipe where tube slides into mating pipe section. Press sealant into any gap between the tube and the mating pipe section. Apply sealant to flange of mating pipe. Slide the collar into position against flange of mating pipe. Fill flange band with sealant and install joint as outlined in Metal-Fab's YouTube joint assembly video. Apply a bead of sealant at the joint of the inner and outer vent and attach the compression band. Compression band is for condensing application and is not supplied for PIC applications. For insulated applications, cut the insulation to the desired length and wrap inner pipe, ensuring that it is covered completely before attaching the half jackets. Wrap the 2 half jackets around joint with the bead at the downstream end and the punch edge overlapping the plain edge by approximately 3/4 of an inch. Coat unpunched edge of casing with P077 sealant to waterproof the casing. Install supplied self-drilling screws at the punched holes through both layers at overlap.